Hello everyone, I welcome you all for SVK tutorials. In this session, I am going to discuss the topic on statistical inference. In this topic, we are going to consider a standard distribution called as F distribution. So in that F distribution, we are going to solve one problem by using a calculator. We can fetch the answer easily by using calculator. Let us see how to solve this problem by using a calculator. And those who are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also share this video with your friends. This is what the problem I have considered. Two independent random samples of each of size 8 is given below. Can these samples be regarded as drawn from the two normal populations with the same variance given that f at 0.05 is equal to 3.8 for 7 degree of freedom? So this is what the two samples they have given. So 1 and 2, 8 samples they have provided. So we can analyze that this is of F distribution. One thing is they have given that the samples are chosen from normal population and also with the same variance. That is sigma 1 square is equal to sigma 2 square. So therefore definitely I can choose that it is of F distribution. Moving on to the solution part. This is what the solution we have. We are going to find out the means of the samples, that is x1 bar and x2 bar. So after finding the means of the samples, we are going to find out variance of the samples s1 square and s2 square. S1 square is given by the formula summation I equal to 1 to n1 xi minus x bar whole square divided by n1 minus n1 minus 1, and s2 square is given by the formula I summation j runs from 1 to n2 xj minus x2 bar whole square divided by n2 minus n2 minus 1. So substituting all these values, so we are going to get the variance. So after getting the variance, we are going to find out whether s1 square is greater than s2 square or s2 square is greater than s1 square. Here in this problem, s1 square is greater than s2 square. For that reason, I am going to consider the ratio f as s1 square divided by s2 square. Substituting those two values, I'm going to get the answer as 1.516, which is less than 3.8. Then we can conclude that the hypothesis is accepted at 5% level. So giving the conclusion, that is, we conclude that the two samples are drawn from the normal population with the same variance. So this is what the way of solving the problem. But now let us see how to solve this problem by using calculator. So this is what the two samples they have been provided. So first, clear all the memory, clear all the memory, clear all, and you can fix for 3 decimal places. I'm fixed for 3 decimal. Then go with the mode here. In that mode, consider stat, press 3, then press a plus bx. In that consider 2. I will consider 2. I'm going to get two columns, that is x and y, sample 1, sample 2. So in place of x, enter the values of sample 1, that is 63, 64, 65, 65, 66, 67, 68, 66. So similarly, moving on to the values of samples of 2. Enter the samples of 2, that is 69, 66, 67, 67, 66, 68, 69, 69. So after entering these values, just press AC. Now, as I told you that I need to find out what means of two samples. I will find out means of two sample. You can see here, shift 1, in that 4, press 4. I will find out, I will consider 2 here, press 2, that is x1 bar. I am going to get x1 bar is what, 65.5, that is what, 65.5 here. And I need to get x2 bar also. For that, press again the same procedure, shift 1, variance, that is 4, in that consider y bar, that is 5, press equal to 67.625. So after getting x1 bar and x2 bar, you are going to substitute those thing in your formula, that is xi is nothing but xi is nothing but these values, these samples 63, 64, 65, 65, 66, 67. You need to write down all those values. So just subtracting those values, what you are going to get S1 square. Here you have got 2.571 and 1.696 as S2 square. So let us know how to solve these two things in your calculator. Again, say follow the same procedure. Shift 1 press 4. In that, consider Sx4. Sx, consider 4, press equal to whatever you got the answer, that is nothing but standard deviation 1.0604. I need variance here. For that reason, I will square this. I got 2.571 and I can note down that as S1 square. Similarly, follow the same procedure. Press shift 1, go with the variance. In that, Sy, consider 7, press 7, press equal to square that value. You're going to get 1.696. Enter that. That will be the values of S1 square and S2 square. After getting these two values, so just you are going to take the ratios. Just 2.571 divided by what? Divided by 1.696, press equal to, we got the answer as what? 1.516, which is less than 3.8. So hence we can say that the given hypothesis is accepted at 5% level of significance. This is how we can find the solution for F distribution without making the problem much complication. So we can solve easily using your calculator. So I think you all understood this problem. If you have any doubts, if you want any clarification, more clarification, you can put a comment. I will clarify your doubts. And those who are not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do subscribe and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching this video.